Tired of power worries? Meet the BLUETTI Elite 100V2, your ultimate portable solar generator. This compact beast packs 1024 watt-hours with 4 AC outlets, delivering 1800 watts for all your gear. It's 35% smaller and 30% lighter, weighing just 25 pounds, grab and go. Charge it fully in just 70 minutes via solar or AC. Perfect for camping, RVs, or as a silent home backup. Power 11 devices, from laptops to mini fridges, with ease. Ready to ditch the grid? The BLUETTI Elite 100V2 is coming July 30, 2025. Pre-order yours or visit the BLUETTI store on Amazon to secure this game-changing power solution and stay powered anywhere.